Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toenail clippers is probably one of the most essential tools for seniors who struggle with limited mobility. Maintaining healthy feet is vital, but reaching your toes can be a real challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the best toenail clippers designed specifically for seniors, ensuring you can keep your feet in tip-top shape without the struggle. We'll explore features, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect clippers. Number 5. Huing Toenail Clippers for thick and ingrown nails. These clippers are designed for ingrown and thick nails. The curved blade makes cutting easy. Made of high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, this tool is built to last. It is rust-resistant and durable. The double spring design ensures long-lasting use. This feature extends the product's service life. The handle is made with ABS material, providing a comfortable and firm grip. This design makes cutting easier. You can easily clean and maintain this tool. It's a sustainable choice for your nail care needs. What we like. These clippers feature a sharp curved blade, perfect for tackling ingrown and thick nails. Made with durable stainless steel and a double spring design, it's built to last. If you're looking for a long-term solution for your nail care needs, this is the one for you. What people say. They cut through thick nails with ease and made the process quick, less than 30 minutes, and his nail was taken care of. This new clipper is extremely sharp, makes trimming my toenails a breeze. They are very easy to hold onto with their padded grips, and the cutters are nice and sharp. They cut through thickened toenails and open up plenty wide to accommodate a large thick nail. Number 4. Stainless Steel Toenail Clipper for thick nails. This two-piece stainless steel grooming set is designed for thick nails. The rounded edge file prevents skin irritation. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort for seniors and active lifestyles. The 25 degrees curved blade aligns with the natural nail shape for controlled trimming. It has an integrated safety guard to prevent overcutting. This allows for gentle care for hard-to-reach corners. The blades are made of high-grade stainless steel, an FDA-compliant material. This ensures they maintain sharpness for years. The 0.4 rounded opening ensures secure handling of tough nails without skin contact. The soft, non-slip ABS grip reduces hand strain by 30%. The dual spring mechanism requires minimal pressure. This is ideal for users seeking comfortable nail maintenance. These pedicure tools are the perfect gift for your family. They provide good care for your nails to keep them healthy. You can relieve ingrown and thick nails yourself. If you are not satisfied, contact us for a solution. What we like. The design of this product includes a precision curved trimming blade and an ergonomic handle, ensuring comfort and control. The blades are made of high-grade stainless steel for years of use. If you have thick or hard nails and value comfort, this is a great choice. What people say. They get a clean cut, are ultra sharp, and reach those little spots that regular cutters just can't. Very good toenail clippers. I guess they could be used for fingernails too. Vincent cover on arms to help keep hands from slipping. Very durable to really squeeze tight. Very sharp. Be careful, span a clip to keep them together. I can really dig in and get the nails in a precise manner without pinching the skin or taking too big of a cut. They are very good for thick nails. They are nice and sharp, so you get a clean cut. Number 3. DRMODE Nail Clippers for thick nails. These nail clippers feature a wide 16mm jaw opening, perfect for thick fingernails and toenails. Made with premium stainless steel, it's designed to handle the toughest nails with ease. With a 3.54-inch lever, this clipper reduces the pressure needed for cutting. The reinforced handle provides extra strength and control when dealing with thick or tough nails. The stainless steel blades have double curved edges for sharpness and precision. The strong concave jaw allows for accurate trimming, especially on hard nails. The wide wing and non-slip handle are reinforced for extra strength. It's designed to be comfortable to use, no matter how thick the nails are. It's suitable for professional use in nail salons or at home. The package includes an oversized nail clipper, a nail file, a portable pocket bag, and a stainless steel box. What we like. This clipper features a wide jaw opening and heavy-duty lever for easy cutting of thick nails. The curved blades provide precision, especially for hard nails. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use clipper, this is a great option. What people say. They are tough and thick and must be maintained. They are very sharp and open up X wide to get his nails in them. They also have a separate nail file to finish any edges. These come in a nice metal case that keeps them secure and ready for use. You won't be disappointed, just be careful not to cut yourself as they are very sharp, lightweight and easy to use. They also have a locking button on the top of clippers to protect the sharp edges. Number 2. Senior Thick Toenails Clippers Kit 6PCS Black. This kit includes a heavy-duty toenail clipper, a rotating clipper, and tools for ingrown nails. It has everything you need for proper nail care. This set makes nail care easier and more convenient. The heavy-duty clippers feature a sharp, curved blade and a comfortable rubber handle. They are designed to easily cut through thick and ingrown nails. This makes the process much easier. The rotating clipper head allows you to find the perfect angle for cutting your nails. This is especially helpful if you have limited mobility or strength. It makes it easier to reach and cut your nails. The clippers are designed to catch nail clippings, keeping your workspace clean. This feature is derived from bionic design and ergonomics. It makes cleanup a breeze. The kit comes with a stainless steel storage box and a storage bag. It also includes additional nail tools to meet different nail trimming needs. This makes it easy to store and carry. What we like. This kit includes a heavy-duty clipper, a rotating head clipper, and more tools to meet different nail trimming needs. The rotating head allows you to find a comfortable angle for cutting. If you have limited dexterity or flexibility, this kit will make nail care easier. What people say. Always had problems with ingrown nails and this makes it much easier to cut. The set is amazing. It's sharp. The mechanisms are very smooth in the actual clippers themselves. They are very sharp and they do not tear up my fingernails like most others have. Number 1. Senior Toenail Clipper Set. This is a premium 4-piece kit designed specifically for seniors. It includes a professional toenail clipper, a rotating head clipper, an extra-wide jaw clipper, and a precision nail file. It's perfect for those with thick toenails and arthritis. The rotating head adjusts to any angle, making it easier to trim toenails. This feature makes it 3 times easier to cut thick toenails from any position. It's ideal for seniors with limited mobility. The wide jaw clipper easily handles the thickest toenails. It features surgical-grade stainless steel blades and ergonomic, non-slip handles. This design reduces hand strain during use. The set includes a professional-grade nail file to smooth rough edges. This is essential for daily foot care and maintaining healthy nails. It completes your nail care routine. This set is thoughtfully packaged in a gift-ready box with easy-to-follow instructions. It promotes independence and confidence for elderly users. It's a great gift for anyone with thick nail challenges. What we like. This set includes a rotating head clipper that adjusts to any angle for comfortable trimming. The wide jaw design handles the thickest toenails with ease. If you have limited mobility or flexibility, this set will make nail care easier. What people say. We've been through a million nail kits in our household and this one is awesome. We got it specifically for the black-handled tool and it cut right through thick toenails. This set gives me 3 different clippers to choose from, plus a little bag to keep them stored in and a nail file to smooth the rough edges. My favorite is the scissors-style clippers. They are extremely sharp and do not take much effort at all on my very strong nails. Clipping was fast and easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.